Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use OpenAI Codex in VS Code. First, download and install Visual Studio Code from its official website to set up your coding environment. Now, open VS Code and go to the Extensions Marketplace using the sidebar to browse add-ons. In the search bar, Code GPT or OpenAI Codex and install the extension that connects to OpenAI. Then, visit the OpenAI dashboard in your browser and generate an API key for authentication. Open the extension settings in VSCode and paste your API key to enable Codex access. Here, create or open a new project file where you want to use Codex. Write a natural language comment or code hint and wait for Codex to suggest relevant code. After that, press Tab or Enter to accept the suggestion or edit the generated snippet as per your needs. Lastly, use the extensions chat or auto-complete features for real-time coding assistance within VS Code. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.